Hello everybody. Today discuss about the EAMCET 2020 revision plan in first year mathematics 1B. First year mathematics 1B EAMCET having total 20 questions, at least 20 questions. In these 20 questions, mathematics 1B having 10 chapters. In this 10 chapter divided 2 equal parts, nothing but 2 parts. That is coordinate geometry is the first part, second part is calculus part. In this coordinate geometry, once again divided 2 parts. One is a 2-dimension geometry, another one is a 3-dimension geometry. Here in this first 4 chapter belongs to 2-dimension geometry. Remaining 3 chapter belongs to 3-dimension geometry. Here this 3 chapter belongs to calculus part. In this 2-dimension geometry, first chapter is locus. In this locus, EAMCET point of view coming only one question, that is find the equation of the locus. PA plus PB equals some value is given, A comma B also be given, or some condition area of the triangle, find the equation of the locus. That type of problems coming to the EAMCET point of view. Next one is transformation of axis. Transformation of axis nothing but change of axis. Change of axis once again 2 types. One is translation of axis, second one is rotation of axis, third one is both translation and rotation. Mostly EAMCET point of view coming both translation and rotation type problems coming to the EAMCET point of view. What is the meaning of rotation? Rotation nothing but origin is unchanged, the direction of the coordinate axis is changed. What is the translation? Origin is changed, the direction of the coordinate axis is unchanged. Here learn translation and rotation, you get maximum marks in EAMCET point of view. Next one is the straight line. The straight line nothing but slope of the x-axis, slope of the y-axis, slope of the 2 points, slope intercept form, normal form, distance between the parallel lines, perpendicular distance, angle between the 2 lines. Next, find the median passing through the A, find the altitude passing through the A equation, orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter. This type of problems coming to the EAMCET point of view. Mostly in this chapter at least 2 questions coming to the EAMCET point of view. Next one is pair of straight line. Pair of straight line nothing but the product of the 2 straight line. The combination of 2 lines is nothing but pair of straight line. In this pair of straight line, second degree homogeneous equation or second degree non-homogeneous is given. That second degree equation is a parabola, hyperbola or ellipse or circle. Check that type of problems coming to the EAMCET point of view. In the chapter also be coming to 2 questions in EAMCET. This 4 chapters belongs to 2D geometry. Next one is 3D geometry or 3-dimension coordinates. In the chapter at least 1 question, that is centroid of the triangle, centroid of the tetrahedron, orthocenter, circumcenter of the triangle. Next, find the distance between the 2 points. Simple questions. In a parallelogram, 3 vertices are given. Find the 4th vertex. That type of problems coming to the EAMCET point of view. Next one is direction ratios and cosines. Especially in this direction cosines and ratios, find the direction ratios by using 2 points. Find the direction cosines by using direction ratios. Relation between the direction ratios and direction cosines. This type of problems are very important. 2 direction ratios are mutually perpendicular, then find k. That is also b. Next, the plane. The plane, this is 3 Cartesian plane, 3 dimension. Here already explained mathematics 1a, 3D plane, that is vector plane. This 2 chapter relative to each other. Here the plane intercept form, normal form, find the perpendicular distance, find the distance between the parallel lines. This type of problems coming to the EAMCET point of view. In this chapter coming only 1 question. This 3 chapter belongs to 3D geometry. After that calculus. First chapter, this calculus part is very useful in MSET point of view. Maximum questions coming to. In this limits and continuity, at least 2 questions coming to the MSET point of view. Limits, what is the continuity? First of all, learn limits and continuity. Already explained my YouTube channel. Watch that video, you get full information in limits and continuity model problems. Next one is differentiation. In this differentiation also be some problems already explained my YouTube channel. See that videos. Methods, parametric method, logarithmic method, implicit method, substitution method, double derivative of the very important compulsory question in double derivative, y double dash, y2, y3. That type of highest derivative, that type of problems coming to MSET point of view. This also becoming at least 2 or 3. In this applicable of derivative, this is a long chapter. In the chapter, at least 3 or 4 coming to the MSET point of view. That is errors, approximate values, or delta y dy, or equation of the tangent, equation of the normal, slope of the tangent, slope of the normal, length of the subtangent, length of the subnormal, length of the tangent, length of the normal, angle between the two curves, mean value theorem, increasing and decreasing function, Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorems, maxima and minima or extreme values. Very important topics in applicable or derivative. In the chapter coming to minimum 3, maximum 4 questions coming to the MSET point of view. These 10 chapters coming to the MSET point of view, each chapter at least 1 question, total 20 question, approximately 20 question coming to the MSET point of view. In this 20 question, each question carried 1 mark, no negative marks in MSET point of view. This is a mathematics 1B tips and tricks of the MSET point of view, how to get maximum marks in MSET. Okay, thank you.